Coach, really, another victory. This is the quarterfinal. First win. What's your assessment of the game this afternoon?
Basically, the assessment is that what we have to do, we're working on the strength of the team, we're working on the speed and the power of the team. So, to me, that is more important right now. Like this round, you may not get quality football, but you'll get people that digging, people that putting online shift for the school. You understand? Body on the line for the school, and that's how I want to say right now.
That's good. I've seen very hard work from back to front. All the players in my estimation has given you 100%. But what do you say? What was the game plan really for this game?
The game plan really is we practice the best everything. Then we get the chance that we're going to capitalize on the team that we practice. But as I said, they put in the shift, they work hard. And the thing about it's hard about playing for the next man beside you know. And I think the team did that well today.
Very good win for the start, and I'm sure your opponents for the next game, based on the scores that we have heard, would have won their game or win their game. It's finished. It will be here, right here next Saturday. What can we see? What can we expect from Dinthill? Up again.
Everybody will want a game plan in the way, everything, but it's all about on the day, what happened on the day. Not because your team win last week or win this week, or you win same time. No, it's all about on the day, and my team is coming on the day to play.
Very good, very good. All right, that's cool.